Good afternoon. Welcome to Johnston Motors. I'm going to do a quick rundown on this 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ. We just got this in a little bit ago, and it is currently available. So, as usual, if you have any questions, contact us 940-808-2382. Check out our website, johnstonmotorsales.com. And yeah, let's get to it, and we'll do a short walk around. This is a 2006 Jeep Wrangler TJ with the inline 6, the 4.0 liter PowerTech 242 cubic inch inline 6. It's a great motor. This Jeep has an incredible 35,000 miles on it. It is a 2-owner Jeep. It was originally bought new in Shreveport, spent about 3/4 of its life in Shreveport, Louisiana, and the rest of its life in the North Texas area from the gentleman that sold it to us. And so yeah, 2-owner Jeep, super low mileage, completely rust-free. The underside of this is immaculate. I'll take lots of undercarriage photos. This is in Light Khaki Metallic, pretty popular color for that era. That's also kind of cool because this is the last year of the Jeep Wrangler TJ 06. Next year they would go to the, in 07 they would go to the JK. This is the X trim, and it's got the Command-Trac 4x4 system in it, which gives you 4 high, neutral, 4 low, obviously, and then standard 2-wheel drive. It has 5 brand new tires on it, all around, Goodyear Wranglers, including the spare. It's bone stock, other than these little LED fog lights on the front bumper, but other than that, it's bone stock. It is, the 4.0 has made it to a 4-speed automatic transmission. I believe they call it the 42 RE. And let's walk around it. I'll show you what's going on with it. Trim is in really, really good condition. The paint is in outstanding condition. There is no, like I said, no rust. There's no major body damage. There's no scratches, no major dings anywhere on this vehicle. The top is the dark khaki metallic top, which matches the light khaki metallic paint. And then the interior is also cloth khaki interior. It's got the 15-inch Echo wheels on it. As I mentioned earlier, it's totally bone stock. Interior's in fantastic shape. Let you check it out here. As I mentioned before, it's got clean history, clean Carfax, clean Texas title, 2 factory keys. Leather wrap steering wheel, still in outstanding condition. Like I said, 35,000 miles, and it looks like a 35,000 mile Jeep. Runs and drives great, no mechanical issues, no oil leaks, nothing like that. I'll start it up in a sec so you can hear the motor. Only cosmetic thing I can find on it, really, that's kind of a bigger deal, is there's some etching in the glass right here from running basically a bad windshield wiper, worn out windshield wiper. That happened before, that happened under the first ownership of the vehicle. So it happened a long time ago. I'll let you look at the back end here. Just an outstanding condition. It's the back seat. It's underneath the carpet here. I'll take pictures of all this in the ad. But like I said, it runs and drives great. No wobble or anything weird going on. I mean, it rides like a 35,000 mile Jeep. So there's your back seat. Let me start it up for you and quit blabbering. This does feature, forgot to mention, the 373 rear axle ratio for anybody out there wondering. Heat and AC work great. Cruise control works great. I'll let you take a look at the driver's side here. Obviously, it's got full steel doors on it. There you go, 4.0 inline 6. Check out the mileage on that odometer. It's awesome. $35,000-mile 2-owner Jeep doesn't get much better than that. I love the Jeep. It's a fantastic example of one. So anyways, I'll quit talking, let you do a walk around. Y'all take care.